This was a Wednesday evening in the city center, and I decided to share with you this particular video to show you some parts of the city. Before I continue, I want to welcome everybody, the new members here on this channel. You are most welcome. The video will start around Uhuru Highway, so until the roundabout that connects Haile Selassie, Uhuru Highway and Mombasa Road. Right about now on this video, I'm on Uhuru Highway. While I was here, I remembered and I was wondering where would somebody join the expressway, and I noticed from a far distance there's a place where you can join the expressway, which I'm going to show you in a few. So you can see across the road there is a place where you can join the expressway. Trying to zoom in to see clearly. And you can see it's written Haile Selassie. I don't know, it's not very clear from where my distance. Yeah, that is what I was trying to see. And then I continued on Uhuru Highway towards the roundabout. I think this is the underground tunnel that is being built for pedestrians, and in a few meters from here I'm going to get to the roundabout. Okay, this is the roundabout I'm talking about. So I'm going to make the left turn from here on Haile Selassie, and I'll keep on until Aga Khan Walk. So Haile Selassie video will end around Technical University of Kenya. That's where I'm going to end it, and then I'll join Aga Khan Walk. I noticed that sometimes this road can be like clear. I've always saw it jammed up with cars, vehicles. So Haile Selassie Avenue ends right here at this place where there is Technical University of Kenya, and I'm going to start Aga Khan walk all the way. Can walk, I noticed people like to relax here, meet up, so it's really populated. Plus there are these beautiful concrete benches, people relax, get to meet. And also I've noticed so many creators also here, so it's I think this place is in the center and people likes it. So thank you for always watching.